it's very difficult to buy stocks that have moved several 100% psychologically if you don't have a core position. We think you should have a core position in those kinds of stocks, but when you look at it, right, there's a number of companies that are proactively building competitive moats, both on the cost reduction side, which we all know that will be part of the story as jobs transform, but also importantly on the customer interaction, retention, right, loyalty side. And these types of companies are very upfront about talking about it in their quarterly earnings calls. And that's probably the most important thing that we as investors can do, is listen to what they say about AI on the earnings calls. Those are the companies that you want to be thinking about.
And what's so
long-term.
important here, Julian, and this goes back to the great work of Ed Yardeni, and I'm calling this bull market the Yardeni-Acampora bull market. Ed Hyman will know who both those people are. But the answer is, this goes back to the optimism to participate in the market, a la what C.J. Lawrence did years ago and what you do at Evercore and Evercore ISI is well. I want you to speak to people under the siren call. Barry Ritholtz has been on fire on this.
Yep.
The siren call of trying to time the market. Please, you and Ed, you gotta play if you want to win.
My 93-year-old father-in-law recently departed, lived a great life, basically was in stocks until the end, as much as in stocks as he could possibly, because he believed that when you look at it, and the data supports this, through economic cycles, through political turmoil, through geopolitics, wars, all of these things, that stocks are the long-term income-producing asset. And frankly, when you think about the things that we're trying to hedge, inflation, again, some of these uncertainties, the other fact is that if you look at it, the price chart of the S&P 500 mirrors the growth in earnings. And if you're going to get long-term earnings growth, which we do believe in fundamentally, you must be in stocks.